Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. If you are new, hi, my name is Esther and welcome. So in today's video it is all about this beautiful unit from Premium Lace Wigs. Now I have here their 22-inch body wave, and this is 130 density, and also you guys look at the color. Super beautiful 13x6 lace front. Now I did go ahead and grab this tinted lace because I had to tint the lace. That's what I showed you guys. The back of the lace, not the back, I'm sorry, inside of the lace is tinted and it looks so good. So shout out to my friend for this gift. It came in handy, especially for this video. Okay, so this unit does come with 2 combs on the side, one at the bottom and one in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Wonder Lace Bond. Got this actually at my local beauty supply store, and I'm gonna use this to glue y'all know, glue down my lace, girl. Now I have been loving to do this method. I think I told you guys this on my last hair video that I not prefer, but I've been enjoying gluing my units down like this better. I normally cut the lace off and I glue it like that, but I realized this method is pretty easy and pretty fast for the most part. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my elastic band. So before I cut the lace, I figured this is going to really help that lace really lay flat even more. And it's also going to give me enough time for me to create my parting space. Now because the lace is tinted with that spray, the parting space looks so much more natural in my opinion. And by the way, I do not have a wig cap inside of my wig. I don't do wig cap methods. I think it's because I don't rock the units for too long. I don't rock my units sometimes when I sleep at night, and honestly if you ever see me sleep with a unit on my head at night, it's because the next day I have something going on that I don't feel like doing my hair in the morning. So that's the only reason why you see me sleep with a unit at night. But majority of the times I don't like doing that because girl, I do get a really bad headache when I do that. So when I don't really need to sleep with a unit at night, I just don't care for it. So I did go ahead and grab my hot comb just to lay that unit down even more. I also grabbed my wax stick so then I don't have any flyaways, and y'all see how slick this unit is looking. It looks so fresh, girl. It low-key looks like I'm getting it done by a hairstylist, but you know I'm the hairstylist, you know. Girl, I take pride in that because I got better. But so now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Lace Academy melting spray. Y'all already know this lace spray melts the mess at your lace, and it makes it look so good, so natural. It looks like scalp honey. It looks good. It looks so good. So what I'm doing here is just spraying a little bit on my finger and just pressing that on my lace, and grabbing the blow dry and just drying it down even more, okay? Because the goal is for this lace to look so good that people are like, okay girl, who did your hair? Me? You know what I'm saying? Me? Okay, do you do hair? No, I don't. I do not. I don't. So yeah, it looks good. So I went ahead and just grabbed a little bit, created a little bit of baby hair. Sorry, not grabbed. Created a little bit of baby hair, and it looks so bomb. So now I'm gonna go ahead and curl this unit. I think I did this before I used my flat iron on my Instagram reel, and somebody was like, girl, what flat iron is that? I'm like, girl, can you not tell? It's a straightener. You know, you can't tell, but this is a straightener. Such a bomb straightener. Gets the job done. I broke my curling iron, and after now using my straightener for so long, I'm like, you know what, I don't need to buy a new curling iron. I have a wand and that's good enough, and I'm just going to be using this to curl my units. look so good, but they look too perfect, okay? Like, girl, this is so satisfying to watch. Just brushing those curls out. Oh my goodness, it looks so, so beautiful. Super bouncy, like so gorgeous. I was going to grab like a oil sheen to just have this unit shine just a little bit. It doesn't need it, but like it would have just made this unit look so much more alive. But I left it like that and it still looks fabulous. Like, this unit is gorgeous. As always, all the details to this unit will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. Premium Lace Wigs always does it. They have bomb units, and this unit is stunning. Gives you the perfect amount of highlight, but not too much. All right, my loves, I love you guys so, so much, and I'll pen the sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.